Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool original style Snoopy and Woodstock telephone. This is James equipment from MA, and this is the initial checkout. Now, James did not send in the handset with his telephone, and I do prefer to have everything to a telephone when I'm working on it. But we do have a handset that we can use with it. And so we have an issue here with the arm, and the arm is broke. So that's a pretty big issue. And since this is the initial checkout, I want to go ahead and remove Snoopy from the base unit here. Give you a look at that. We're going to have to totally take Snoopy apart because we need to get to all the linkage that is associated with the arm and the hand, and that would be your hook, switch, cradle. We also want to give you a look at the base unit. We want to go through the bell. I can already see that the bell is an issue because that clapper there should not be riding on the bell in free state. So that's got to be adjusted. And we want to go through a little bit of everything else in the network, the keypad, and we'll go through that while it's in the shop. So we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the repair of this really cool Snoopy Woodstock original style telephone. So we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are in the middle of the process of repairing Snoopy. And so we have Snoopy apart now, and as you can see, there's quite a bit going on. We have some parts over in this area here, and then we have all the other pieces and parts and linkage. And so what we want to do is we want to start our repair process now, and we'll go ahead and get that taken care of, and we'll come back and get some more video once we move forward this part of the repair. So we'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with a repair of this Snoopy and Woodstock telephone. Now remember earlier we mentioned that James did not send in the handset. This is a shop handset and cord, and so I was not able to check his original equipment out, so I have no idea if they have any kind of issues. Now I'm going to run through a little bit about what went on. We went ahead and repaired our linkage problem, and that was taken care of. We also went through the bell. That was adjusted. We went through the keypad while it was in the shop, wanted to make sure everything was proper there, and the network. So now we're ready for our final checks. I also want to mention our amplified pickup. For those who watch our videos, they know this is an amplified pickup. We use this in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkout. And that's so that you can hear the audio from a receiver when we start our final checks. So we want to go ahead and ring this unit, so we'll go ahead and do that now. We're going to let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. Turn on our amplifier. Now, the issue that this telephone came in with was the broken arm, the linkage that attaches to it. Now, under normal use, there will not be an issue, but if Snoopy's dropped or the handset is slammed down, of course you're going to break it. There wouldn't be anything you could do about that. Nothing would, hold that or withstand that type of pressure. But under normal usage, there will not be an issue. Okay, so now we're going to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light there on the analyzer, every time that red light lights up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. So we know that this Snoopy telephone is ringing in on a ring cycle. It's dialing out. It has transmit and receive with our handset. We can go ahead and push this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out, totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we'll call a time and temp number. So we'll go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll call that number.
Good evening. We have express service available at almost every Offenburg dealership. Open later during the week and Saturday for your convenience. Today is Wednesday, July 1st. The time is 7:45. Current temperature 86 degrees.
Occasional showers and thunderstorms today and tonight. Highs around 80, lows in the upper 60s. Showers and thunderstorms likely on Thursday. Highs around 80.
We can hang up, give you some dial tone. We'll call my number and it'll be busy. Turn off the amplifier. We can hang Snoopy up. Now that we know that Snoopy in Woodstock has been repaired, we can return this telephone to James and he can enjoy it again. It's a very cool original Snoopy Woodstock telephone, and these are very sought after phones, very highly collectible, very cool equipment. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.